Tired of conditioners that promise moisture but leave your hair dry and brittle? Imagine a conditioner that actually hydrates deeply, restoring softness and shine without weighing you down. This award-winning formula is designed to bring your hair back to life, especially if it feels parched or damaged. I've tried countless conditioners that claim to moisturize but ended up stripping my hair instead. That's why this product caught my attention. It's color-safe, vegan, and completely free of sulfates like SLS, parabens, and gluten, meaning it's gentle yet effective. After using it just once, my hair felt noticeably softer and looked healthier, with a natural shine I hadn't seen in years. It's like my strands were drinking in the hydration they'd been missing. What makes this conditioner stand out is how it balances deep nourishment with a lightweight feel. You apply a small amount after shampooing, massage it in, and rinse. For the best results, pair it with the Clean Beauty Hydrate shampoo. The combination locks in moisture without buildup, keeping your hair vibrant and touchably soft. If you're looking for a reliable way to revive dry, dull hair, this conditioner is worth a look. Ready to experience what truly hydrated hair feels like? Give this conditioner a try when you're ready to say goodbye to dryness and hello to softness and shine. It's more than just a beauty product, it's a simple step toward healthier hair every day.